So in next unit we will discuss about the another case of imperfectly competitive market, that is monopolistic competition. And in this also we will take up what are the conditions in the monopolistic competition. If we see that the number of firms, there are many firms, large in numbers, so large number of buyers and large number of sellers. But here, as compared to the perfectly competitive market, the average size of firm is small to medium. Okay, and please consider that this monopolistic is different from monopoly. In monopoly there is only single seller, but here there are large number of sellers. Okay, and their product is differentiated. It is sometimes this differentiation is due to psychological perception of the consumers. Actually the formula and material, everything might be same, but only because of advertisement, packaging, things became different to consumers. Of course there are few barriers to entry. Nobody can easily enter in the market. There is no government regulation in such case, because there are large number of sellers, large number of buyers. People, they are aware about market condition, and they are also aware about the other aspects of the product. So there are no government intervention as such. And regarding the interdependence of the firm, each firm is independent in this case. Okay, so this is same as the perfectly competitive. Okay, so here interdependence, they are independent. Yeah, each firm is independent. And the profit making possibility in such case is medium, because we have large number of producers, large number of buyers. Majorly the issue is like product is differentiated in this, and because of that they get better profitability than the perfectly competitive. Because of this differentiation they get more money from the buyers. Okay, the price and marginal cost. Price in this case will be always greater than marginal cost. In this case the demand is downward sloping. This is downward sloping and it is elastic. Okay, in case of this perfectly competitive, it is horizontal. In case of monopoly it is vertical, and here it is downward sloping and elastic. The criteria for price decision is how much marginal cost and marginal revenue. So that will be the point that will decide that whether they will pursue, they will continue their production further or not.